Good afternoon, this is Brent Reeves, Communications Tax Guy. At SureTax, we daily field a tremendous number of calls with individuals who are just getting started in the communications industry. The explosion of VoIP services has really made it easy to enter into the communications industry. Of course, the gotcha is always, okay, now what do I do about taxation? I've arranged an agreement with my carrier, a wholesale carrier, I'm ready to go, but I don't know anything about compliance and registration, so what do I do? Okay, so there's four areas that I want to point out that you need to think about when you're entering into the space. Registrations. Registrations is what allows you to do business, both at the federal level and at the state level. So you'll need to register with the FCC. You'll also need to register with your state, Departments of Revenue, and potentially PUC, Public Utility Commissions. So those are the two various levels of registration that you need to look at, as well as there could be some local level registration. So you need to get with your tax professional and find out exactly what you need to do from a registration aspect. The second part of it is the tax calculations. Okay, now I'm providing this service and I know I have to pay these taxes, but how do I manage what I'm supposed to charge and collect, and what am I supposed to do with it after the fact? The third side is the filing. So now you've registered to do business, you're calculating your taxes and invoicing correctly, you've collected this money, now what do I do with it? Well, you have to file those tax returns, obviously, with the various jurisdictions and authorities that impose it. So it could be federal level filings, state level filings, and in some states there are also local level, and even like in Louisiana you have parish level type filings. So you have the filings, and then of course billing. Now this really fits kind of intertwined into all of this, but you obviously have to know how you're going to bill your customer for your service, and also what needs to show on the bill in order to comply with truth in billing for your customer. So four areas that you need to think about: registrations, tax calculations, filing, and billing. Now, the good news is at SureTax, through a various number of partners, we can kind of handle and help you mitigate all of this process, help you walk your way through the process. So if you need help with registrations, we have partners who can help you with the registration process. Obviously at SureTax, we do the tax calculation side, and we'll work with a billing provider that you may already have and doing an integration with our SureTax solution that calculates the taxes for you. Or you can bring your own billing partner. So for instance, maybe you already operate QuickBooks or you operate NetSuite. We have integrations with QuickBooks, NetSuite, things like that, that we can help you integrate the calculation side. Filing, we have great partners in the filing side as well that we can put you in contact with. And then billing, we have multiple number of billing partners. All of this is just basically goes to say that there's a lot that you have to think about, but you have a resource at SureTax that you can come to help guide you through this process and ask any questions you might have. Overriding all of this, however, is your tax policy decisions and your understanding of tax. And that will often could entertain a regulatory agent, an attorney, and again, we have those partners as well that can help you. So these are the basic things you need to think about if you are considering entering the communications market, or if you have already entered the communications market and you find yourself behind the gun all of a sudden because you haven't done these things. So go to our website at suretax.com and have a great day.